Cinnamon is a spice native to Sri Lanka and widely used worldwide in gastronomy. However, cinnamon is not only beneficial for us but can also be for your plants. If you want to know its benefits, join us in this video from thedailyEco, where we'll explain the 5 uses of cinnamon for plants. Let's get started. 1. As a fungicide, if you see spots or black or white coverage on your plants, gently sprinkle cinnamon powder on the parts affected by fungi. If after 48 to 72 hours the fungi haven't disappeared, you can repeat the application without fear. Cinnamon will not harm the plant. On the contrary, it can be beneficial. 2. Against ants. Ants can become a worrisome pest, and cinnamon can once again be the solution. This spice acts as a potent repellent for ants and other pests like flies and mosquitoes. Simply sprinkle some cinnamon powder in the area where you want to prevent them from appearing, and they will flee from the scent they dislike. 3. For cuttings. A good way to maximize the chances of a cutting becoming a healthy new plant is to use rooting hormones. Cinnamon has the ability to act as a rooting agent. It is also 100% ecological and cheaper than chemical preparations. To prepare homemade cinnamon rooting solution, you can add a tablespoon of cinnamon powder to half a liter of water, to which you can also add 2 finely crushed or ground aspirins. Stir well and let it sit for at least half a day, then strain it. Dip the bottom of the cuttings in this mixture for a couple of hours before planting them. You will soon notice how your cuttings root much more easily. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. What part of the cinnamon plant is used to make the spice? A. Leaves. B. Branches. C. Bark. Take a few minutes to think it over. At the end of the video, you can check if you were correct. 4. After pruning, some plants require the application of sealing paste on pruned areas. You can make your own paste with melted candle wax, to which you should add cinnamon powder to enhance its antifungal and antibacterial properties. This way, you can apply it as a liquid but not too hot over the pruning wound, allowing it to solidify and seal. It's also possible to apply it directly in powder form on small wounds. It won't seal them, but it will help the plant heal more quickly. 5. As a repellent for animals. We've already mentioned that this spice is an effective insect repellent, but it also affects other animals. Small mammals like rabbits, moles, or squirrels will also avoid it because it causes an irritating sensation in their nose and mouth mucous membranes. It doesn't cause any serious or permanent harm, but it will make them avoid the area. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it over? The correct answer is C. Cinnamon spice is obtained from the bark of the tree. Tell us, did you know about the benefits of cinnamon for plants? Until next time, ecologists.